Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for XRP price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. So we are looking at very high prices for XRP, so I found it like it is the time to analyze it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the weekly chart where we finished a wave A or a wave 1, possibly an A, B and a C, or a 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 continuation to the upside. After both case scenario, of course, we have a very long correction, which is of course required. Well, after this very much impulsive wave, of course, we have a W with a zigzag here, a zigzag for X, and a triangle for your wave B or a wave 2 as well. Now after this, of course, we have finished a wave, of course, the wave Y here to finish a wave B or wave 2, and then moving toward the upside impulsively, of course, after a wave E, which is always, after such a big correction, it will impulse very massively and explosively. As we can see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 internally. So if we take a look a little bit here on the 4-hour chart to see much closer what's going on, we have in our impulse, as you can see, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 extended wave 5 triangle for your wave 4, and of course 1, 2, 3, 4 again triangle for your wave 5. And that means you have a very extended wave 5 from the wave 4 here for XRP, loves to do this. And of course with many triangles for your wave 4, A, B, C, D, E, finishing this triangle 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5 continuation toward the upside. Basically we have hit our targets for a wave 5 taken from the start of this impulse from the 1, 2 here that we have, of course, and we have hit so far the targets, even the highest target for a wave 5. What an XRP, of course, when it's moved toward the upside, it's very, very massive and explosive. We are still looking at another triangle formation definitely here, and we still meaning looking for higher prices. And that because of the correction characteristic that we are getting here. Probably we are having kind of W, X and a Y, of course, in a triangle, and probably finishing this wave 5, of course, after this wave 4 here in a triangle, and moving for even a little bit more higher. So I would say let's label this as well to not forget it, WXY, where your wave Y also is a triangle. Let's move this here as WXY. Here we go. And then, of course, we're still looking for a higher. Basically, guys, we would like to see, of course, a signal of an impulse, 5 waves up, 3 waves down, as I always mention. Here we go. We're very close to break this triangle. Once we, of course, get a final probably wave E here, we would like to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So preferably, of course, that we take the all-time high here. And I think after this, we might see, of course, a drop for XRP a little bit, because as we mentioned on the weekly, guys, we are very, very bullish toward the upside. So this is still nothing for XRP, I would say, because I'm gonna show you exactly what's going on. As you can see, if we are in ABC, yeah, A, B, and a C toward the upside, you would like to see this wave repeating exactly almost the same pattern. Here we go. This is your wave 1 right now, where we have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is gonna repeat the same. Almost, of course, not exactly the same, but basically, if we are in wave C, it will repeat even the same price, the same amount of the percentage that it has moved to the upside. So basically, we have the same wave 1 here, and probably once we finish here at the 1-to-1 fib level taken from, of course, the start of this zigzag, the start of the wave A, of course, till the end of it, and base point of the wave B, it gave us a 1-to-1 fib level on the linear chart. But on the logarithmic chart, you have a $478, meaning once we get the same percentage movement here of the wave C, we will reach this target. And of course, we're talking about cycles here, and not just like in simple move towards the upside. We're gonna see a wave 2, definitely a little bit drop towards the downside. I suggest, of course, somehow with this support, and then it can be 1, 2, and then 3, 4, and a 5 in several cycles, of course, because this might be, of course, starting in September 2025 probably, and maybe longer, because XRP loves long correction as well. So maybe 2026, moving up in 27, and then in 28 correction, and of course in 29 or 30 is of course $478. Now let's take a look a little bit on the KGT. We can see, of course, a double signal here for the bullish, where we have a very strong divergence, which of course signaling higher prices. Now we see here, of course, some movement towards the downside still, meaning once we get a bullish signal here on the 500, we're talking the 500, the strongest. I think we already got it on the weakest. Here we go. And I believe, yes, this is another strong divergence moving to the upside. Confirmation probably here with KGT for our scenario. So yeah, this is exactly what I would like to mention as well at the end. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comment, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.